Okay, now you know I'm back, and you know I had to do this, and you know I'm on the attack. You know it's coming. I was going to do the remix on this bad boy, and here it is. The Babyliss Pro FX3. Now that I've had some time to do some cuts, some slices, some dices, now I give you precision and a precise readout or breakdown about this model and the unboxing. Now right now, we open this bad boy. This thing is incredible. Now, what I learned about this particular trimmer is that it is literally like a cutting, cutting machine or something, like a ferocious cutting machine. Like it growls when you cut it on. You hear that? Like, you hear that? It's like you can even hear like a little ring from a metal thing or something inside of it. It's so strong, and it vibrates really. It can seriously vibrate. It would just go by itself. I mean, this thing is really, really strong. I mean, you really got to. Get some. But when you use this bad boy, I must admit, okay, when I first used it, I went ahead and did a little video, and I checked it out. I was at the barber's table, and I checked it out, and I said, okay, let me see. It was okay. But the thing was, it was really, really good. It did cut good. But that's just one time. It don't really mean nothing, you know what I'm saying? Now that I've had time to work with it, this bad boy is for real. This is one of the strongest, sharpest trimmers on the market today. I didn't have to adjust anything in this. Out the pack, right out the box, some of the best cuts ever. Some of the best cuts ever. This would honestly be my favorite trimmer of all time until this very moment. But the influencers I like better because I like the handle, the thicker handle better. And because of that, I give the influencers the one step up on this one. Otherwise, man, this thing is for real. I mean, you do not, there's no reason for you to zero gap what? Unless you're trying to cut through some skin or something like that. I mean, because honestly, it'll take you right to the grain immediately. And it's really nice. And I cut right along really nicely some people's heads and stuff like that. And man, it was, damn, I didn't even have to use my straight razor. I cleaned up nothing. It was there. It was already there. And if you've used this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. What I'm saying right now is the real deal, is the truth. I'm telling you right now, this bad boy, the FX3, is insane. It is incredible. If you like this type of handle better, then it's the number one trimmer for you. It's number two for me because I like the thicker one for the influencers. Otherwise, the motor in this bad boy, man, monster, off the chain. You need to get one of these bad boys. I'm telling you right now, I fell in love with this model. The two Babyliss models that's out there, Influencer and the FX3 trimmers, are absolutely incredible. I mean, I'm trying to find something that can top them right now, but I really can't. I went through all the other ones and all the other brands. Trust me, on my next video, I'll take you to one of my warehouse and I want you to see all the trimmers and all the clippers I'll be using. I'm telling you right now, you are going to be blown away. So trust me, when I'm telling you this, because I know from experience, I've been cutting for many, many, many years, and I got this bad boy down. Now I'm trying to tell you right now that this thing is awesome. If this is your design, your shape style, you like this kind of style, it's the number one for you. If you like the Babyliss with the influencer, the wider one, the wider handle, then that's the one for you. Otherwise, both of the motors are absolutely incredible. The FX3 is absolutely insane with their motor. Their blade, of course, like Babyliss with it, it's straight fire. It's straight fire, man. There's nothing you need. It still runs about 7,200 or 72 plus. It's somewhere up there, man. I mean, we done lost count now. Something like that, man. It's up there. All you gotta know is that it will cut. It will make your dollars go up because your cut will be flawless, and your cut will last longer because it cuts straight to the grain like a razor blade does. So you don't have to, go back over it again or like whatever. A full week, their hair will be intact. And your people will love your customers will come back to you again and again and again. I'm telling you right now, they will come back to you. Understand? We guarantee. Now, inside this box, real quick, it says, go over this and stuff. No, they do not come with guards. Babyliss trimmers do not come with guards. So if you did not know that, Babyliss trimmers do not come with guards. Don't be looking for them. If you need some, go buy some, whatever, somewhere, go on Amazon or somewhere and go get yourself some, some guards. Of course, it comes with the oil, basically, the chargers. The charger comes with it, and also, the basic stuff. This and, a little screwdriver, a little tiny screwdriver that comes with it. Cute stuff like that, all sorts of things and stuff, all sorts of goodies, pamphlets and whatever, keys and things like that. Let me tell you right now, these are off the chain. Make a wise investment. Get this bad boy. I've tried it. I've sliced and diced with it. People say it's too sharp. It's not too sharp. That's a misnomer. It is not too sharp. It is perfectly sharpened. It is perfectly zero gap. You don't have to do anything to it. Take it right out the box, put a little oil in it, and go to town. Understand? Go to town. I mean, man, when you see your cuts, how it comes out, you're going to be loving these bad boys. Understand? Put the strap on if you need to. Put it for your fingers. Grab your bad boy so you don't drop it, and go to town. Okay? I grab by the bottom 2 fingers, reach around, and I go like this, up, and I get started. And you can see my hair start glowing. And I start going, it's on fire. And my cuts come out on fire. Understand? If I drop it, it's not going nowhere, bro. It's not going nowhere. It's on my hand. It's strapped. It's strapped on. You understand? That's how it works. Trust me, man. It's your main man Ty hitting you up with the 1-2 with the Babyliss Fx3s. These are straight fire. Some of the best trimmers on the market today. Do yourself a favor. Invest in these. They don't cost too much. What it costs, about $149? Trust me, these are off the chain. Invest. Do yourself a favor. Make your money come up. And once again, as always, take care of yourself out there, and peace.